In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Sendwave Installment App. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the correct app in your phone store, start the download, and confirm it's ready to use. First, open the store on your device. On iPhone or iPad, that's the App Store. On Android, it's the Google Play Store. You'll find the icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Make sure you're connected to the internet. Wi-Fi is usually the fastest and most reliable, and that you have a bit of storage space available so the download can complete smoothly. Next, use the search bar at the top of the store and type Sendwave Installment. Be precise with the spelling to bring up the right result quickly. When the results load, look for the official listing. You can confirm it's the genuine app by checking that the publisher name matches the official Sendwave brand, the icon looks consistent with their branding, and the ratings and reviews look legitimate. If you don't see it right away, try refining the search to Sendwave Installment rather than just Sendwave, since different Sendwave products may appear. Also note that availability can vary by country or region, so if it's not appearing, that may be why. When you found the correct app, tap the download button. On iPhone, that's the Get button. On Android, it's Install. Your device may ask you to confirm with Face ID, Touch ID, or your usual device security. This simply authorizes the download from the store. Once confirmed, the store will start fetching the app to your phone. Now wait for the download and installation to finish. You'll see a progress indicator on the screen, and it may take a moment depending on your internet speed. Staying on a stable connection helps the process complete without interruption. If the bar seems slow, that's normal during busy network times, or if your device is multitasking. Avoid closing the store if your connection is spotty. Letting it run can prevent stalls. When the installation has completed successfully, the button will change to Open. That's your confirmation that the app is fully installed and ready on your device. If you encounter issues like the button not changing or the download pausing, check your connection, free up some storage, or update your device's system software, then return to the store and resume. And that's it. You've searched for the Sendwave Installment app, started the download, and waited until it says Open, confirming the installation is complete.